Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything, but it's okay. Been busy. So today we're working on Precious, my 300. We are going to be replacing and fixing the dipstick, this wonderful little item here, because as you can see here, well, it broke off inside there, so we gotta figure out how to pull all this apart, what needs to come apart, so that I can yank out what the old dipstick and be able to use a new one. So stick around. Okay, so we'll start by removing the air intake boot here. Give ourselves a little more access. Take this off. Well, let's see here. Let's just do it this way. Now let's just set that aside. Okay. Filter. Set that aside. You'll need a 10mm here. Set that aside. And then on this side of the motor, you will find a 10mm bolt on the side of the block, which holds in this, your dipstick tube. Okay. Take that back, that might be a 12, hang on. Okay, so you need a 13mm. You'll want to get this bolt out, and then this should come coaxing right on up. And there you go. Now the fun part's going to be getting this out. Alright, not gonna lie, that was that was a little more than I thought it was gonna be. A little more of a challenge. So anyways, what I ended up having to do was drill out what was left of the dipstick handle in the tube so I could break it free, because it was stuck. And then, you know, cleaned her up, got it ready to go, and then all you do is just repeat the same process. Alright, so I just had to make sure I didn't have anything obstructing the dipstick hole, and I did a little bit, a small chunk that was still in there, which was making it get hung up. I did check everything in the hole where the dipstick tube goes. There's nothing there, nothing blocking the road, so we're good to go. Now that it's in, let's check the oil for once. And good old-fashioned 2.7 fashion, she's low. that's okay, because oil change is coming. So I'll show you guys exactly on this side what you need to do. Hang on. So down here, if you follow the dipstick tube down, you'll be able to see the hole where it pokes back into. So the bolt that you need to loosen up is right there. And that'll allow you to pull out the tube, complete the job, and get it all done. So you don't need to see me putting it back together. I'm sure you've seen that plenty of times. So till the next time, stick around. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Thank you for the comments, and more content coming, guys.